All right, today we are fixing this casement window. It cranks out fine, but it will not crank all the way in, so I can't latch it. I have to go outside and push it in. So let's get started. First, remove the screen. Next step, go ahead and crank this out. So I'm going to go ahead and push down this arm that extends this. Just give it a firm push like that. There's 2 screws here. I'm going to go ahead and take those out, and then I'll remove these 6 screws right here. Okay, so I've got all the screws removed. You really don't need the small flat tip screwdriver to remove this set screw because this whole unit's going to slide out. So just take out these 6 screws and these 2, and then you can take this and just work it out. All right, now here's the issue. This piece right here is bent up. So you can see that this gear hops. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this to my vice grip, squeeze this back together, but you can definitely buy a new unit. I've put a link below in the description that will take you straight to Amazon. They're about $65 a piece, so I'm gonna go ahead and repair this instead of paying $65 per window. So let's give it a whirl. Okay, that looks pretty good. I think that's going to do it. Let's go reinstall this. All right, I'm going to go ahead and slide this back in. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put these 2 screws back in, and then these 6, and then we'll test it out. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and reattach this. There's a little black slider under here. You just want to line these 2 up and give it a push in. All right, everything's back in place. We're all screwed up, and here's the moment of truth. There we go. Good to go. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.